Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I do have a special video to share with you today. If you watched my last video, I gave you a little teaser. I do have a mystery box to share with you today. So if you enjoy mystery boxes, thrifting, videos surrounding reselling, be certain to subscribe to the channel and join me for another video. So today's video is very special. This is actually a heartwarming video for me. I did promise all of you that I wanted to share with you something very, very beautiful. In my eyes, it's very beautiful, and I hope that you can appreciate it as well. So today's mystery box is a true surprise to me. This was sent to me by a viewer, and I was not expecting it, and it just blew my mind. I received this in the mail, and I actually thought it was a return, and I was a little bit bummed out about it. Several hours later, I thought, I have no idea what could be returned in a box this size, and I went to open the box and I did not recognize the name on the return label. The thought crossed my mind, there could be a pipe bomb in this box. Yes, so I carefully opened the box, and I want to share with you what I saw when I opened this box. There was a note on the top, and the note says, "Hi Kelly, dropping you a quick note with a mystery surprise new with tag box. Sending this as a thank you for your fantastic YouTube content. I have recently had to stop selling on Posh and eBay, etc. as a focus on a new job and relocating. As a result, I have a large quantity of inventory to redistribute. I hope you find all these items useful and suitable for your closet. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Greg." You know what? It's even hard for me to read this note on camera, guys. I'm actually humbled by it and so very appreciative. And the gift came at a perfect time. And I'm going to get into that a little bit. And if just hang with me, I do want to share with you the inside of this box. Everything is new with tags, and it is all wrapped in plastic. I have not opened not a single plastic bag, but I want to share with you one of the reasons this mystery box is so very special to me. If you're new to my channel, I first of all want to welcome you. There's a lot of new viewers on this channel, and gosh, my cup runneth over. I am so excited to have so many new friends on this channel, but some of you may not know that I've only been selling on Poshmark for a couple years. I've been selling on eBay for a year, and I recently started selling on Facebook Marketplace. I'm pressing forward little by little, slowly. I am moving forward, but my story is a couple years ago, it's been almost 2.5 years ago, my husband and I left Las Vegas, Nevada to move back to my hometown here in New Mexico because I wanted to be closer to my mother as she's aging. And who could have known? I've been here just over 2 years, and who could have known that this pandemic would hit us? And I feel so very, very grateful that I arrived home before the pandemic hit, because I can't even imagine how difficult it would have been for my mother to navigate the pandemic without my husband and I here to help her. But my husband and I moved here on just a whim and a prayer. We really didn't have a plan, but we are a family of faith, and I had faith that all of our provisions would be met. And I want to share with you, I shared this on my channel a couple of years ago. We bought this house. We sold our big house in Las Vegas. We downsized to this house here in New Mexico. And we had been here a few months, and we have a cactus out in the front of our yard. And in April, the end of April, the beginning of May, this cactus bloomed, and it was absolutely beautiful. And I remember sharing that with you, but just taking in the wonder of it myself and thinking, you bloom where you are planted, Kelly. And it was you, my viewers, that actually encouraged me first, number one, to start buying my clothing secondhand on Poshmark, and Thank you very much. You guys have been just a godsend to my budget. But then not only that, it was my viewers that encouraged me to start selling my clothing on Poshmark, which I did. And guys, I have never looked back. This has been the most fun I have ever had selling clothing, but it has also become a way for me to make a living, for me to contribute to my family financially. So I just can't thank you enough. I should probably say it in every single video, how grateful I am to you, my viewers, for everything that you have done for me, that you show up to watch my videos, that you help me by teaching me about reselling, about tips and tricks and suggestions. You guys are awesome. Everything I know about reselling, I have learned from you, my viewers, and also from other YouTube content creators that are gracious enough to share their journey. You might know, if you've been following me for just a few months, that I have partnered with a nonprofit that is mentoring me. They mentor women entrepreneurs that have small businesses. So I'm learning more about business. But guys, I am just a work in progress. If you are able to glean any information or knowledge from the videos that I make, I mean, thumbs up for that. But if you are just here to support the channel or to be entertained, thumbs up, double thumbs up for that one, guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And last year when the pandemic hit, you guys know I was reselling, and at the start of 2020, I made a commitment to myself to start doing this seriously. And then the pandemic hit and I had no way to get inventory other than to order online. And that is when friends and neighbors and even a viewer, one of my viewers, stepped up and sent me a box filled with clothing that I was able to sell on Poshmark. And this is a very similar donation. This box is from a viewer that just thought of me when he needed to liquidate his inventory. I couldn't be more grateful for that gift, guys. Before we get into this box, I do want to share with you my cactus out front. I call her Majestical Shaffner. I do know how to pronounce the word majestical, but I think majestical is so much more fun to say. This cactus brings joy to the entire neighborhood. You can see these great big buds that will just explode very soon, and stick around to the end of the video so you can see her in her full glory. Guys, I am going to take a short pause and take all of the clothing out of the bags, and then we'll go through everything that Greg sent me. Okay, here is the first piece. It's plus size, which I love. This is Calvin Klein. It is a 24W, and this says this is a non-iron top. This is a button front, sleeveless, white. It feels like cotton, but it also feels like it has a little stretch in it. It is new with tags. Is there a price tag? $74. Calvin Klein, new with tags, yes. Next up is a sweater. This is a beautiful yellow sweater, which happens to be the Pantone color of the year. Who are you? Jean-Pierre Woman. That sounds fancy, right? Is there a $68 is the MSRP? This is also plus size. This is a 1X. Can you see that? Jean-Pierre. What do the sleeves look like? Just like that. Very pretty. Rounded hemline. Just a classic yellow sweater. And this is a lightweight sweater, so it could be worn in the spring and summertime. This also looks like a sweater here. This is black and white. This is by Charter Club, and this is an extra large. It's kind of chunky, and this is a cardigan. It appears to be a cardigan sweater, and it's got that white piping on it. Does it have pockets, or does it just look like pockets? Faux pockets on the front of it. This is really nice, and there is a price tag. Do we have $69.50 for this one? Next up is a black top. I think it's a top. This is J. Crew. This is a size large. This is super cute and very stretchy. Can you see there is some ruffle detail on it? This is perfect for the season. This ruffle is also eyelet ruffle. Size large. Price tag says nothing, just the brand tags on that, but I love that. I do love selling J. Crew. It does great for me. I think this might be the exact same thing. Yes, it is. This is the exact same top. This is also in an extra large. This is in white though. Maybe you can see the eyelet ruffle detail on this a little better. I love the sizes. that are in this box. This is a pretty color. This one, actually, I got something in my latest thrift haul that would go perfect with this. Who are you? J. Crew, size extra large. I love these sizes. That is awesome. So this is kind of a mustard gold color, and then you can see that embroidery smocking detail. The top up by the shoulders, it's got a fun short sleeve on it. This is awesome. Next up is a dress, and this is really pretty, but I might not be able to do it justice in the, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to insert a stock photo or my listing photo of this dress because it's really hard to show a beautiful dress like this in my hands. Now this dress has a collar. This is a sleeveless dress, embroidery detail. This is Swiss dot sheer. Ooh, sorry about the lights, guys, but a sheer fabric. And then it's completely lined underneath. It does have that collar. That's a sweet little collar with the points on the back and a hidden zip. This is kind of a trapeze swing dress. This would be really comfortable. Oh, who is this? Let me tell you who it is. This is Ivanka Trump, and this is a size 4, and it is new with tags. You guys know everything's new with tags. Oh, this one is $138. So I'm excited to have that one. And this is also a dress. Ivanka Trump, what size are you? This one's a size 10. I might be able to wear this dress. Let's see what it looks like. This is a beautiful color. This is a magenta color dress, and it is all lace, but of course it is fully lined, and that is a nude color lining underneath it. This one looks to be about a midi length, and this one might be kind of form-fitting. It does have the round collar up there, a hidden zip in the back. This is beautiful. This would be a really pretty dress to wear to a wedding, right? And what is the MSRP on this one? This one is, doesn't say, guys, but it looks expensive to me. So that is everything that my friend Greg sent to me in this mystery box. Greg, if you are watching, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you thinking about me, and you cannot know how it warmed my heart. It made my day. And you probably have no idea what a blessing that is to me and to my family and to my mother. So thank you. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video, for supporting this channel. A great big thank you to all of you that shop my Poshmark Closet. So many of you surprise me by shopping my Poshmark Closets, and I am not even aware that it is you, my viewers, that are shopping until you leave your very kind reviews, your love notes in my Poshmark Closet. Thank you so very much. You, my viewers, are so often a bright spot in my day. As I mentioned before, I am a woman of faith, and I'm extremely grateful that our paths have intersected. Because I don't make these videos to sell you clothing. I make these videos because I truly enjoy clothing myself. I enjoy women's fashion, and I love reselling. It is great fun to share my journey with you here on YouTube. And I have lots of affiliate links, guys. And I want to say another thank you to those of you that use those links, because you support this channel when you use my links. But I decided about a year ago that I didn't really want my channel to go that way. I didn't want this to feel like an infomercial. So for those of you that take the extra step to find my Poshmark Closet, to use my links, to support this channel, a great big thank you. I am humbled by your actions. And I'm going to sound like a broken record here, but I'm just grateful. Thank you for being who you are. And my heart is so full, and I'm going to end it right here because I'm getting emotional. I really am. I feel so very blessed. And speaking of full hearts, I want to take you back to Majestical Shaffner that is in my front yard with her very full blooms. Yes, she bloomed as the day went on, and I do want to share that with you. These beautiful blooms that everyone stops to look at, they last for about 24 hours. That's it. 24 hours she gets to be this beautiful. And we are all so beautiful. Make it matter. Make your life count. And it can count by being kind to another. Blessings to all of you.